a Kids Wild Ride production.
Buzz, it's clear. Come on up.
Woody, I know something's up with those boys.
You got that right, Buzz. There's been a lot of noise coming from upstairs.
What do you say we go check it out? They might be trying to get our snacks. I hid some Doritos behind the TV.
I think the coast is clear.
Let's go.
Buzz, I'm positive. It's coming from upstairs.
Woody, we gotta check it out. It could be a burglar.
Okay, let's go. Buzz, I think the coast is clear. I don't see anything. Come on up.
I'm right behind you, Woody.
Looks clear. I think we should go for it.
Buzz, maybe we should turn back. It's a long way up there.
Woody, we gotta make sure this house is safe. They could be after the Doritos.
Ah! Whoa! Buzz, it's the box the boys dropped.
Woody, we gotta hurry before they come back for it.
What do you think's inside?
I'm sure it's probably our snacks.
Wait, don't look in that.
Okay, boys, what are you hiding?
It's a present for you.
Sure, boys. You expect us to believe that?
If you insist, we'll show ya.
It's not coming out.
Ah!
Why are you scared?
They're special pillows we'd made just for you.
They are quite handsome. We're sorry, boys. We thought you were taking our snacks.
You're our best buddies.
You guys are really our best friends.